It's that time of year again. This year I've spent around about 170 quid. This is both for Bonfire Night and Diwali. Um, I've mostly got Bright Star Fireworks this year. Anyways, let's just start off. We'll start with the sparklers. We've got Mama Sparklers from Bright Star Fireworks, which were 79p from Iceland. So yeah, if you want to get some Mama Sparklers, Iceland is the best place to go to. We've got 3 packets of giant sparklers. Just normal giant sparklers. Monster sparklers. Monster sparklers. And we also got giant sparklers, giant coloured sparklers. And we also got this from Poundland. 10 sparklers. Sorted sizes and effects, which is quite nice. You don't really normally see these in sparklers, so that's quite unique. We've got the Equalizer selection box by Standard Fireworks. £8 this was, 14 in a box. As you can see the contents, 2 shot tubes and a Roman candle. I'll just open it to show you anyway. Safety sheet, which is quite useful. So you can see fountains, Cat 1 fountain, this one here. We've got the Star Dome shot tube. This is actually how many grams is this? This is 16 grams, and this is actually a small little kiddie box, but yeah, these shot tubes are kind of out of place, honestly. They do have quite a punch, quite loud shot tubes, so yeah, be careful of those. We've got 2 monster boxes. These were from Bright Star Fireworks. These are £13 I paid for this. Some fountains in there, some Roman candles. It's a decent box. I did try to go for more cakes this year. Okay, moving on to the rockets. We've got some hydro rockets by this company here called Defco, which you don't really, it's a brand that's out there. This is 1.4G. That's 1.4G rocket pack, 99 grams of powder. I did have 2 packets. I've used one and they were decent. They were not bad. They were quite good. They did have a decent burst. You're not going to expect much from a 1.4G rocket anyway. We've got Warhawks. We all know about these bad boys. These are really, really good rockets. I definitely do recommend you to pick one up if you've never seen these before. If you do see these, pick these up. If you want the most powerful rockets, the best rockets that money can buy, this is just the pack you want to go for. So 300 grams, Cat 3. Yeah, everyone loves these, and they genuinely are the best rockets that money can buy. I've got 2 packets of those. Okay, now we move on to the cakes. I've got the Airstrike box by Bright Star. This cost me £35. So I got this actually for a really, for a bargain. We'll start off here with the smallest things. We've got the grenade, small little barrage. Doesn't say how many shots there is, but golden, purple, green and red comets. It's basically just a Roman candle. 48 grams of powder. We've got the Howling Hellraiser. This is red pearls, green star and silver comets. This is 25 grams. Very, very less powder than this, but it does have a good weight to it. This is regular comets. we got the same firework. Different effects, blue balls and silver comets. Same NEC though. Heavy bomber. This has quite some weight to it too. Purple and green glitter, red and silver glitter. 79.2 grams of powder. And this little barrage. It's quite good again. We've got 2 urban veins. So this is they don't really say how many shots there is actually, but red, green, yellow, blue and silver crackling. 30 grams of powder. Another one. Same one. So red, green, yellow, blue and purple pearls. 30 grams again. We've got 2 of the biggest cakes. Air Attack. Now this one has lots of tubes around here, and it goes middle. There's nothing in the middle. It's just empty. But this one is quite heavy. 105 grams, 105.6 grams of powder. Silver tail to silver palm and green tail to green palm. This is the biggest one in the pack. So that's Air Attack. We've got another Air Attack. Crackle blue and yellow burst. Same LEC. We got Silent Hunter. Silver tail to silver crackling yellow and crackling glitter and yellow tail to yellow palm. Seeing 105 grams of powder. Another one. Same cake. Silver tail to purple and green pearls and yellow tail to yellow green palm. Same amount of exactly the same NC. Got Missile Frenzy. This one is yellow burst, red and green and silver glitter, silver spinner, 76.8 grams of powder. Choose quite decent size as well, so it's quite okay as well. And we got Surprise Attack. Yellow and purple pearls. 99.6 grams of powder. So that's the barrage pack. This cost me $34.99, but I thought why not pick this up. Okay, now we move on. We got 2 Howling Hellcats, Saturn missile batteries. This is 200 shots. Silver whistle to crackle star. Quite nice if you like a bit of whistles. We got the Mighty Atom. Whistle to Red Epiphany. 133 grams of powder. This one is there's 3 different flavors in this one. This one is the Invasion of the Spiders. We've got another one, just came buy one get one free. This is exactly the same firework. Whistle to Red Peony. Yeah, same firework. We got a Bahama Breeze, another little barrage. 16 shots. Crackle Tails to Crackle Blue, Silver and Yellow Stars. 126 grams of powder. That's Bahama Breeze. So you get buy one get one free. Last but not least, we've got the Dum Bum by Classic. This is the mini version, but Dum Bum. So just written in another language. See anything for English? Oh, there we go. A silver mine to red tail to titanium salute. This is a very loud cake. One of the loudest firework that the money can buy. This is a mini version of the normal Dum Bum. So yeah, 16 shots. And yeah, so that's my fireworks stash for this year, guys. Not much, but it's quite nice. A lot of cakes this year. But that's it for this year, guys. I hope you did enjoy. And that's my fireworks stash for 2019. If any updates, I will surely put in my video. That's it. Thank you for watching and subscribe, and we'll see you soon. Take care. Bye.